Hi, these are the secrets to great foot massage: grip, rhythm, pressure, and repetition. And if you do these each and every time, you'll give a great foot massage each time. First is you always grip. You're massaging with the thumbs, you're always gripping, so you have a nice grip on there to keep balance. The rhythm, you're starting at the bottom, up to the top. The rhythm's the same each time. The repetition, you're going up each line once or twice, and you're going back across again. The pressure is always the same. You can't see that, but you're always using the same pressure. So there you go. Grip, rhythm, pressure, repetition. You have the long strokes here while you're holding. Repeating, rhythm's the same. You're kind of walking up the foot. The same, coming right back down, doing the length. You're going until your hand kind of stops. If someone really wants to relax and go to sleep, you might do it a little lighter. And then you want to catwalk up as well, holding on, going up each line a couple of times. So it's long strokes while you're holding on. Then you're going up like this, one thumb at a time while you're holding. And then you're walking up. And you play around with it as well. Get your own strokes in there. But the rhythm, pressure, repetition, and gripping are the four most important things you can do when you're giving foot massage.